Dictation of advanced legal phrases outlines. So we ready? One, two, three, start. ID liquor. I am of the opinion. I have no hesitation. I have no hesitation to hold. I have no other option. I may take this opportunity. I shall discuss the evidence. I shall now discuss the evidence. Identification, illegal gratification, immovable property, imprisonment for a period of, imprisonment for a term of, imprisonment for life, improper valuation, Indian Arms and Explosives Act, Indian Company Acts, Indian Constitution, Indian Evidence Act, Indian Penal Code, Indian Railways Act, Industrial Disputes Act, inherent powers of the court, inquest report, inspector of police, entry order, investigating officer, irreputable presumption, irreparable loss, Islamic rites and customs, in suspicion, in forma pauperis, in furtherance, in her cross examination, in his cross examination, in his examination in chief, in its entirety, in my view, in our view, in such other manner, in support of his contention, in the alternative, in the cross examination, in the evening, in the instant case, in the light of the my finding, in the light of these discussions, in the morning, in view of this incongruities, it has been contented, it has been laid down, it has no basis, it has to be proved, it has to prove, it is a question of fact, it is an admitted fact, it is an admitted fact, it is alleged by the complainant, it is alleged by the plaintiff, it is alleged by the prosecution, it is also in the evidence of, it is clearly stabilized, it is contented, it is further alleged, it is further contented, it is further pleaded, it is further in the evidence, it is further in the evidence of,